Let's take a look at this square lock. Interesting looking lock with very unique looking keys. It has a modified lock mechanism, and it's made out of hardened steel, so you cannot cut with a saw. This is also very hard to pry it apart because of the mechanism they use. This costs around 57 rupees or around $1 for this. So let's open and see the lock. That's how the key looks. It's a very interesting looking key. These are the benefits of this key. You don't have to align it. Then it's also reversible, so you can use it either side. And it also holds the key when it's open, so you don't lose your keys. You can only take out your keys once the lock is locked. They claim that this is also quite hard to duplicate, and you get 4 extra keys. Quite a nice innovation on the lock and key. I'm not sure how foolproof this is, but it's really easy to use compared to the regular ones. You can also get the bigger version of this lock for 150 rupees or around $3 or so. Quite nice. Check it out.